Okay, you guys, I have a new project kit for you today. This is something I've planned on doing since like September, but I figured it would be perfect for the beginning of the new year because it's kind of like when you're just in your craft room and you're not really working on a holiday stuff, unless you're doing Valentine's, which I don't if I can help it. But this is going to be a little bit different. So this is my Doodlebug Cute and Crafty project kit. For this kit, you will make your cute little tote bag box. You will make a chunky little tag album. You will make a little notepad holder for all your little note taking when you're making projects or planning projects. You will make this super cute album, and of course the little box itself. All of this is cut for you. All you're going to cut are your main pieces and then your little side pockets and your big back pocket. But the tote itself, the front and back pieces of this are cut for you in your kit. Everything to make all 4 of these projects is part of the kit, including the pen, the notepad, the binder ring, the ribbon for your tag album, everything to make the album, all of it. One kit, all of the projects. So it's almost like a mini retreat for the winter time, if you will. So let's take a look at a little notepad holder. And I mean, I know we all have made 100 of these and they're just fun, but it's especially cute when it's in this particular paper, because if you're like me and you take notes either while you're designing something, while you're making things, while you're watching tutorials or projects someone else is doing, this is perfect. This is also because I'm teaching you the process of how to make one of these. These are like the best table gift ever, and once you know how to make them, you can make a ton of them. Okay, so like I said, in the kit you're getting the pen, you're getting the paper, a little paper pad, all of it. The tag album, whoops, which I love this. I finished this last night. You're getting 100-pound cardstock to cut your own tags. I couldn't find white tags without having to buy like thousands at a time like I wanted. And oh, that's what else you're getting. I knew there was something I was missing here, and I don't know where I put it. You are getting 100-pound cardstock. You are also getting my tag tool to help you make your tag bases for this project. So you're getting your tag tool. You've got your binder ring. You've got an assortment of ribbon that coordinates with the collection. And when we flip through this, like that's a little tuck spot. This is one of the journaling cut-aparts that I've just dog-eared and put in there. I could have left it without, you know, trimming that top off. It's up to you. Tag albums are so much fun because you can really do whatever you want to do. And this is the last thing out of the 4 projects. This is the last one you make, so this is where you're using up your scraps, your leftover odds and ends and chit-chat. You are getting 24 sheets of pattern paper. You are getting odds and ends, chit-chat. I think that's... yes. Odds and ends and chit-chat. And you're going to get all of the projects out of that. Okay? So just as we flip through here, this is actually open on the back to tuck something else in. Another little flip. So just some ideas of things you can do with your tags. And so on. And then of course we have our album. The album is 6.5 by 6.5, so it's a good size that goes together really easily. You open it up. I've got a couple of big flaps there, along with a pocket, tuck spot, pocket, along with a bigger pocket inside, and then that's just holding that closed. This is just a big flap over a bigger spot for a photo. This is magnetized. You of course get your ribbon and your magnets with my kits. The only things you provide with any of my kits is going to be your adhesive and your basic tools, trimmer, scoreboard, ruler, scissors, craft knife, that kind of thing. Other than that, everything else is included. You're not going to get a kit and go, oh look, oh wait, I needed to buy 27 sheets of cardstock. Oh look, I need, they're using 4 sets of magnets. I need to go buy magnets now. No, none of that. Everything you need to complete the projects as shown is included in the kit. So we've got this fun little spot that opens up like that. We've got a couple of stacked pockets back here. We've got a flap pages that are stacked. We've got a belly band with a little 5x5 insert, and you'll have leftovers if you wanted to do a couple more inserts, you can. This one comes down like so, and then also up. Back here we've got a side loading pocket with space for photos there, and on the back we have a 4x6 waterfall that is built on a base, so this is actually open at the back, that you could use this as another pocket if you wanted to. So all 4 projects, 1 kit, 1 price, everything you need to make them, including the tag tool, and there you go. The kit will be linked in the description box below, and the tutorials will be on a separate playlist. I didn't want to put them all into one because that seemed like a lot and kind of overwhelming, so there will be a separate video for each one of the projects, but there will be a playlist that they will all be linked in, that this will be actually the first video in the playlist. So there we go. As always, thank you for watching. If you end up buying this kit and making this, I would love to see your finished project, and you can share that and tag me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Scrapping Under the Influence. And you can also share it in Scrap Happy Peeps over on Facebook. Anybody, everybody, anything you make, we want to see it. So let's get into it.